turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench, an extension, and a 10mm socket, start by unscrewing the negative terminal on the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the 3 holding screws on the protective cover of the battery. Loosen them. Then, to save time, finish the process off by hand. Finally, remove the plate. Remove the plastic front of the battery compartment, sliding it upwards. You will then be able to access the metal holding U of the battery. Remove it, once again, by pulling upwards. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the holding U of the battery back in place, sliding it from top to bottom. Be careful to insert it onto the threaded stud bolts on each side of the battery compartment. Put the front back onto the battery compartment. Put the protective plate for the battery back on. And screw the holding screws back on, starting by hand and fixing them in place with a socket wrench. Then, put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then, put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.